Good evening to the respected Chief Commissioner of Customs, Sri M.S. Chaudhary sir, respected Principal Commissioner of Customs, Sri G. Ravindranath sir, and all other Principal Commissioner of Customs and Commissioner of Customs, and the member retired Sri Periyasamy sir, and respected Additional Commissioners, Joint Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners, Assistant Commissioners, and my dear colleagues, and all other stakeholders of this customs formation from CBS fraternity and all other guests here. I thank all of you for your enthusiastic participation. I feel very honored for giving this great opportunity to give vote of thanks. I am thankful to the Chief Commissioner of Customs for giving me this opportunity. I am duty bound to express my gratitude and loyalty to the great jurist, economist, statesman, founding father of cause of social justice, great warrior against social evils, discriminations, intellectual giant of the 20th century, father of our constitution, Bharat Ratna, Baba Sahib, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Because of his great and earnest efforts, the constitution, which is a law of all laws of this country, became possible. Still, our country is the largest democracy in this world, adhering the rule of law through parliamentary democracy and independent judiciary. I salute the Baba Sahib by utilizing this opportunity. On behalf of the entire staff of this customs zone, to me this an important and memorable event in this custom house history. For this, we have to be most grateful to our respected Chief Commissioner of Customs, without whom this great occasion would not have been achieved. This is purely his initiative. To the best of my knowledge, this is the only full-size statue unveiled in such a grand manner in non-PSU central government organization. Sir has been personally associated himself to this task and following this right from the beginning. On behalf of the entire staff of this customs zone, I express my sincere and heartfelt gratitude to the Chief Commissioner, who is instrumental to erection of the statue of Dr. Baba Sahib, Dr. Ambedkar, in this esteemed office campus, and for his excellent and precise speech on Baba Sahib and on the Constitution. We will be ever grateful to you, sir. Also, on behalf of the entire staff of this customs zone, I thank our respected Principal Commissioner, Sri G. Ravindranath sir, for his contribution, for his successful and grand celebrations. Sir has been devoted his full attention in each and every aspect of this program, which became a great and successful event. Sir's keynote address on the salient features of Constitution and on Baba Sahib greatly helped us to have an idea about the constitutional principles and values. We especially thankful to him in this regard also. I thank all the Principal Commissioners and the Commissioners and all other senior officers here for their enthusiastic participation in these celebrations. Our sincere thanks to the Additional Commissioner of Customs, D.V. Palniandi sir, for all his efforts in this short time. He has been involved in himself with utmost dedication, and he has coordinated all the administrative actions in this regard. I also thank Sri V. Pandiraja sir for his welcome speech and all other assistance rendered by him. Our heartfelt thanks to Sri Samya Murali sir, Additional Commissioner, who has coordinated the entire process from the beginning, from the process of making statue and his all other efforts in this regard. I especially thank for his thought-provoking brief on this constitution and very especially the so-called love letter of Baba Sahib. I have to thank Sri Nadraj, Assistant Commissioner of Customs, for his logistical coordination in all other supports. I thank Sri Agi Mishra sir for his efforts and support for the grand success of this event. I owe special thanks to my dear friend Sri Salindar Krishna, Superintendent, who is the man of this great mission, who has executed all the orders of our Chief Commissioner and Principal Commissioner, from coordinating all the activities, from the structural arrangements, making over of this park, installation process, and each and everything. I thank all the CHS staff in this regard. I thank the canteen staff for supply of these tasteful refreshments. I thank the sculptor Sri Kishore Nagpa, who is not present here, and the engineer through Madhivanan for all the wonderful civil works undertaken by him. I thank Srimati Anuradha Ramesh for her coordination and pleasant and flawless campaigning. I thank representative of all other service associations, preventive associations, appraising association, Sri Babu, Mr. Karthikeyan, Kalai Kumar, Dheeraj, Mr. Neeraj, Anandakrishnan, Mr. Sunil Palaganan, Kannan, Mr. Masi, Sedavildars, and all other staff and CBS representatives and all other friends and guests here for making this event very successful. I am personally thanks Chief Commissioner again for giving me an opportunity to give vote of thanks. Thanks, sir. Thank you all.